Hi guys, good morning. My name is Sweet. So today I'm gonna show you how to make money online. So I would like to introduce to you, I don't know if you heard about this, but it's called Neobucks. So facts is I've been a member of this website since 2008, way back in the Philippines. And then when I moved here in UK, I created a new account, and then I continue my online income here in UK. So when I say extra income, I don't mean to say that you're gonna make lots and lots of money, because I think that is not realistic. Extra income is not like you need to give up your job in exchange of doing this online thing. I think this is a starting ground for a newbie like me to make an online business. So number one, this is you don't need to sell anything. Number two is you don't need to pay anything just to get in. It's not like a pyramid or anything. Number three is it legit or scam? Now I'm telling you, I've been a member of this since 2008, and since way back in the Philippines, and I started my subscription here in 2011 when I moved here in UK. So I am a living proof that I get the money out of it. So it's not a scam. So let me show you the website I'm talking about. Seems like it's making a reflection on my screen. So anyway, I started here. If you remember already, you put that login button, and then I'll try to sign in, and I will show you what this look like. Now I'm logging in. So this is my screen look like, guys. So this is basically my home screen. So it will show there that I'm a member since 2011. Yeah, and it is also show there that's the income I got from this website, and it also show there that's how much I earn from this website. Can you see that? Right, so at the moment my payment, my payout, my salary for this month is that it shows on the top. It's very fast. It's 154,403. So that's my income for this month. Okay, so going back to the dashboard. So this is basically your home screen. So first thing is maybe you're asking now how to earn money. So you see, okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you will get started. Okay, here on the top it says view advertisement, and you got 16 there. Okay, there's so many ways for you to earn money on this one. So you have view advertisement, which is you're gonna click the advert. There is a timer, and then you will get paid after the advert. That's how it works. There's a mini jobs. Mini job could be vary for anything. I will go through all of that. And then there's a survey, there's a games. So you play the games, you get paid when you play the games. Okay, and then you have offers, coins, you get paid through coins, and forum. Forum is where you have and all your questions. Forums is where you're gonna meet other member of this website. Okay, so let's get started. This is a standard view advertisement every single day you will get. So if you click for that view advertisement, click that, and then it will open a page like this. So each color of this, it corresponds one advert. Okay, so pink is equivalent to 1 cent. Yellow is equivalent to 10 cents, and green is 5 cents. And normally it happens, if you get green or blue, that is your bonus, which is you normally get it every day, randomly, any time of the day. So green is 5 cents and blue is 10 cents. Okay, I'll show you how you will get started. So this is your mouse. Yeah. Okay, so if you click that, there will be a red button come out. Yeah, if you click that, there will be another window will open. Okay, click that one. Yeah, and then it opens another window, and you will see it say waiting for the advertisement to load. There is a timer. That's your timer. Yeah, once the circle is done, it will show, it's telling you advert validated. Yeah, so you earn 1 cent out of that because you've been validated. As simple as that. Okay, so you can close that now. It say close. Either you close it here or you click the X here. Okay, so close that. So earlier my money there is 154,403. If we refresh that, because I did 1 click, which is equivalent to 1 cent, if I refresh it, I will show you the money there goes up for 1 cent, just to try. Okay, so we refresh that one. This is only just to try to show you. So now my money is 154,404, so it adds 1 cent. Okay, and then we will so on and so forth. We will do another clicks. That's how you will get paid, guys, just to click that. And it takes only seconds just to load up. You see it's loading up, waiting for advertisement, and then that's the timer. Yeah, and then it say advertisement validated. There we go. So that's finished. Once it say that tick box, that green one, it means it's validated, it's finished. Okay, so you close that one, and then you refresh your screen here, and then I will show you it add 1 cent. So now my money is 154,405. So the same process, guys, all of it. So let's try the yellow one. I'll show you how much you will earn from the yellow one. Okay, so click that one, and then it will open another window. Yeah, and then it will load up. That's your timer. It's only seconds, guys. Honestly, it will not take long. Okay, so that's your timer. You wait until that bar that's circulated. Okay, and then almost there. There, it says. So advertisement validated. Okay, so if you close that one, okay, and then you refresh again. So remember, well, how much I get there? 154,405. 10 cents. It should appear on my account. That is 154,415. So that's it. Just simple as that. So it means all the clicks is validated. So if you do that, this is a standard ads per day, but all through the day they will give you a random they will give you more ads all through the day, and it means it will gives you more income. Okay, there's so many ways on how to make income. If you finish all of these ads, you can try something else. And to those of you who wonder if it is allowed for to use mobile phones and Androids or anything gadgets there, I think it works only for if you have a computer or laptop. The reason for that is because you need a mouse to click that button, yeah, to open another window. So with games, you can do the games with your phone, but the games will not be activated every day if you don't click the ads. That's how it works. So that's how you. So this is only for a computer or laptop at home. Okay, and that's it. You just click it, all of it. Sometimes they just give you lots of bonus all throughout the day, but it doesn't mean that you have to sit on your computer all day long just to wait for the ads. You don't have to do that. It's just random. They pop any time of the day, and there's but aside from this adverts, there's a lot of ways how to make money in this website, and then they are legit, guys, because I get paid with this website. They are not scam. All the ads will become gray. When it's gray, it means they are finished. It means you can no longer click the ads again. Okay, so this one hand there is an ads. You don't worry about that. You don't. All you need to pay attention about is all this timer. Once the timer is done, you can proceed to the next one. Okay, simple as that. So if you like this website, guys, I will put my banner there so that you can click the banner, and then you will get through my account, and then we will be making business together. So I'm gonna show you, and then if you have any questions, I can assist you. Just comment down below, let me know. And yeah, and then the banner that I'm gonna post it online somewhere down there, I'm gonna display there so that you will be my referral, so that you can sign up, for you to sign up and get started. Okay, and by the way, to those of you who will ask if the revenue will get deducted, just like what's going on in YouTube, sometimes your revenue is up and down. Here, your revenue is never go down, it's always going up. The more you click, the more you earn. There's no deduction or anything. The only thing you get deduction is, I think, when you claim it, I think you have to pay for the service charge, but it's really minimal. Anyway, that service charge, it will be deducted to your points that you earned already. You don't have to pay anything to claim your own income. Just like the other website, they will ask you to pay this, pay that. No, this is really legit, and they are really good, because I've been using this website for many years as an extra income. Okay, so we have 2 left. And I will put my banner there. Please click the banner, so, or copy paste, yeah, for you to sign up and get started. And then I'm gonna show you the step-by-step how to do it, and what is the other way how to learn on how to earn money online. There's so many ways how to earn on this website. It's not only the advert. So this is the last adverts. The adverts is, they get refreshed every single day, and you get paid per dollar. So if you are in the country, like for example here we are pounds, it will be converted to pounds when you claim it. So like for example now, before that of my clicks, my money was 154,415. So okay, because I finished all my clicks now, I will refresh, and I'm gonna show you that all the clicks, the adverts that I done already, it goes to my account. Okay, so click that. So now my income there is 154,500. Simple as that, guys. So that's it. I'm gonna on my next tutorial, I'm gonna show you on how to earn the other way, the other ways on how to make money online on this website. Okay, thank you so much.